those who did not take theory, major chord, bottom note to the next note. How many half steps? 1, 2, 3, 4 half steps. From this middle note to the top note, how many half steps? 1, 2, 3. That's a major chord. Usually we take a thumb, C chord, major. And I say move the middle one down, making this interval smaller, but this interval bigger. So now you have a 3 and a 4 on top, right? Whereas major is a 4 and a 3 on top. A minor chord is a 3 and a 4 on top. Minor. What is diminish? Start with a minor, move your top note down half step. That's a diminished chord, C diminished. So a diminished chord is always by finding your minor first and then moving that down. So A minor, which you know very well, is ACE. A diminished would be here, right? How about G minor? D minor. What's D diminished? Move this note down. And that would be D diminished. How about augmented chord? C. Augment is to augment this one up. That's C augmented. Symbol C plus in any pop, folk, or jazz. C plus, capital C. F. F plus, F augmented. Move this one up. That's F augmented. G major. E major. Augmented. E augmented. So that's the definition of diminish, augmented chords, and the definition of a chord that has a seventh. So you see F7. Okay, well, first, it's a major chord, F major. Where is this seventh? This seventh, you can count it from the top note because it's shorter than counting from the bottom note. If you count it from the top note, it's 3 more half steps. This is your seventh. So that's how you find the seventh. F7. What do we call each one of these notes? Skips. Skips of letters. F, skip a letter. A, skip a letter. C, skip a letter. E, flat. That's F7. But sometimes you see a symbol F with a triangle and then the number 7. The triangle represents a major seventh. In some books, it's they put M-A-J, short for major. And in that case, a triangle or the word M-A-J for major. This is the chord, F major seventh. Those who take theory would know from F to E, it's a major seventh, whereas from F to E flat, it's a minor seventh. But if you didn't take theory, you just kind of shortcut it by finding your major chord first, count from the top. If it's 3 half steps, that's an F7. If it's 4 half steps, that's an F major 7, jazzy. Does that work for anything? Yeah. G. 7. If the simple 7, then you count 3 half steps up. That's your G7. GBDF. If this is here instead, the distance is bigger, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a G major 7th. Does it work for C? Yes. What's C7? Count from here. 3, 2, 2, 2. That's C7. And that would be C major 7. Again, the symbols just to get used to. If it's a simple C with a little 7, it's 3 half steps that we count from here to here. If you see a triangle next to the 7, before the 7, or a big M with an A and a J short for major, then this is the major 7. The distance is 4 half steps. That's a shortcut for finding a bunch of 7th chord. One last one for my very advanced students, a diminished 7th. Well, you've just learned what a diminished triad is. What is diminished? First, you have to find the minor, which is here, and you diminish the 5th. That note has to be down. So right now, what distance do I have in this diminished triad between all my keys? From here to here is 1, 2, 3. From here to here is 1, 2, 3. 3 half steps, 3 half steps. And if I add another 3 half steps, that is a fully diminished 7th chord. Usually used for a scary place in the movies. That's a fully diminished 7th chord. It's made up of 3 half steps. If I invert this and I put the C here on top, notice that it's still 3 half steps between all of the notes. So from here to here is 3. If I keep inverting this one up here, it's still 3 half steps between each one of them. And if I put this one on top, it's still 3 half steps between each one. It's the same chord. That's the beauty of the fully diminished 7th chord. You can play it in this inversion or this inversion or this inversion or this inversion. It's the same one. It's the same sound. And the symbol for the fully diminished 7th chord is a circle with the 7th. Or dim instead of the circle, which we've seen in theory. Dim is short for diminished. Triad, and then the 7th. Dim 7 or circle 7 is that. Every single note is separated by 3 half steps. And that's the shortcut for piano learners.